Today, I'll guide you on how to open snaps on Snapchat Web even though the web version doesn't directly support viewing snaps. First, go to web.snapchat.com and log into your account. Here, you'll see your chat messages and contacts. But if you try to open a snap, you'll get a message saying, open the mobile app to view it. Since Snapchat Web doesn't currently support opening snaps, here's a workaround you can use. To view snaps on your computer, you'll need an Android emulator. I recommend BlueStacks, which lets you run Android apps on your PC. Download BlueStacks from their official website. Install and open BlueStacks on your PC. Once installed, log into your Google account within BlueStacks to access the Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store within BlueStacks. Search for Snapchat and install it as you would on a phone. After installation, open the Snapchat app and log into your account. Now, you can open Snapchat in BlueStacks just like on a mobile device. You should be able to view snaps and respond to chats directly through the emulator. Using this method, you can view your Snapchat snaps on a computer.